Oh no, put your right to speedy disposition of cases.
Although the court does not determine whether an impeachable officer may be removed or disqualified from political office, it emphasized that it has a duty to construe the process mandated in the Constitution.
Yes. And what is mandated in the Constitution? The one-year bar rule. My gosh, oh my gosh. Sabi ni Jason Dalos, next chapter flood control. No, no, no. Next chapter is the budget. Nararamdaman ni Tambaluslos yan. Alam niyo mga kabatas natin, bago ko makalimutan, kasi baka makakalimutan ko na yung naintindihan ko na kung ano ang gameplay ng Senate dito. Di ba yung gameplay ng Senate, mga kabatas natin, they tried to dismiss this. Eventually, it was not successful. So, what did they do? They tried to delay it. How? By remanding it back to the House of Representatives. Bakit? Para maantay itong Supreme Court decision. Lumabas itong Supreme Court decision, tapos ang usapan. Hindi kasalanan ng Senate, nagpatupad lang tayo ng batas. Well played. Well played, Senate. Alam ko na. Okay?